Get out! Get out!
Zach didn't actually have a haircut. He lost his hair this morning. He was working so fast, and it just flew off.
Whoa. And she's out. Wowzers. A big old boy. So the engine is out. First thing I'm going to do, get the rocker off, all the stuff on top off. Then I'm going to lift it back up on the crane, time it, get the sump off. Then, yes. Just got the rocker off, as you can see. Doesn't look too bad in there, does it? Fairly clean. All them injectors come out beautifully. Now we've got to get the crane back on it, get it lifted, get the sump off, get the timing cover off.
Making use of Josh One's stubby chair.
Yeah.
And Josh One uses this chair for discs and pads, but
he sits down all the time, doesn't he? He gets out.
But yeah, the stool's getting some proper use, some proper work. Yeah. So he's removed all the injectors. So I'm told they come out nice and easy. You didn't need a slide hammer, did you? Nope. So yeah, that was a success. This is it looks like a flute.
Yeah. Should play it. Oh. Oh no, recorder, innit?
Or a recorder, yeah. Yeah, man in his element.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this side. I'm guessing where it gets hot on this side is wears out the rubber quicker because it was only leaking on this side. Okay. Everywhere else is pretty dry.
And we've got rear main seal as well, just in case. So everything's coming off, so everything's being replaced. What's your next steps then? Going forward now.
Screwdriver in there, get cylinder one at top dead centre, and then I need to make sure that all the cam lobes look like that. Right. They're pointing in the right place, and then the tool should slot in here. I've got a tool somewhere. This should slot in here.
Lovely. That tool does not look like it's had a lot of use. Did you get silicone or not?
Oh, I've got silicone.
Ooh, is this silicone?
Ooh.
Nah.
I don't know what that is. Ooh, an oil filter.
Oil filter, most important part of the package.
Well, do an air filter.
So usually timing chain kits come with silicone. Well, especially if you're doing a wet belt, you get silicone, don't you know that? BMW make that an extra bag of bolts. Zach forgot to drain the oil.
Yes.
So we are draining the oil.
We are. I'm very fiddly doing it like this. All the sump bolts are loose.
Oh, were they?
Yeah. On this side they're all loose.
I think that's factory.
You reckon?
Well, if the bolts are loose, maybe not. Someone's been here before.
Yeah. Yeah, BMW.
BMW. Here she comes.
What are we on?
Hang on. Dipstick.
Ah.
It's kind of like all bolted in though, Zach. Oh wait, you can wiggle it. Go on, keep wiggling.
Ah.
Is she dirty?
Fucking hell, she's dirty.
Any bits? Any bits?
Oh, I think that's just the way the paint finishes.
I think that's just contaminated oil.
That's alright.
No bits.
Yeah.
The beauty of not having a wet belt, no bits. And there's the lower chain there.
So I've got the timing cover off, as you can see.
It's getting squared up.
nothing's loose, the customer just wanted it done. So let's get this all off. Bye. Ladies, if you want a man who can do a timing chain, hit me up in it. Obviously, master apprentice here. Don't even know how to do wheel alignment in it, but you know what I mean. I can't do wheel alignment, but I can do that. So that's all nice and clean. That's all nice and clean. The sub, yeah, that's pretty much clean. They just got oil drifting all over it, so we'll give it a wipe down before we put the sump back on. We've got a nice clean sump over there. Oh my god, this. Oh, that lines up nicely. Right. So that tensioner in there, that tensioner in there, yeah, now we can do these up, because that is in the perfect spot. You see how loose that tool is? That's what you want. That means that is in the perfect spot, and obviously this spins to take up any slack. Yes. Let's torque them up. And then that is timed. Ooh. So yeah, as I said previously, I don't think there was any damage to getting interrupted. Don't think there's any damage to the actual guides or the chain itself. So it's more of a preventative maintenance kind of job. Darwin on the YouTube.
That's good.
This is your kind of music, this, isn't it? So yeah, Darwin, have you ever done a 330D timing chain?
Oh yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Have you done it as fast as this man here?
Few days not bad.
So yeah,
Few days
Darwin's
not bad.
claiming that he's the top G for timing chains. He's gonna come give you an expert opinion.
The only reason you need to get the engine out is because of this cover here. If it's on the car, it's a bit tacky to get on.
Because Zach was saying that Ollie does these with the engines in.
Yeah, exactly.
I would argue, not that I've done one myself, but I'd argue that that's probably the harder way.
It is the harder way, but it's less work. As long as you get it done within a day or two.
See? Darwin's the genius.
Anyways.
What's that? Wow. I'd let you ice my cake.
There we go, that's more like it.
If you want decoration, Zach. If you want a lot of icing, that's Josh 1.
Or Ashley Palfrey. Or if you want icing when
You're getting mentioned over here.
Or if you don't want icing when you don't need it.
You're getting mentioned over here.
So fast forward, forgot to record anything. Rushed off my feet in it. So just torquing up the injector bolts. Got new copper washers for the injectors. See, there's the old ones. Got some new ones. They were just torquing it down to 26 Newton meters. Oh yeah. On to the next. Whoa. Oh, it's really hard to do one-handed. There we go. Look at that. So, yeah. So, engine will be going in soon. Just gotta, once done the injectors, do up the pipes, put the reconnectable cable in, there's a bracket to go there, put all this plugs and whatnot back in, and have a tidy up first. There's shit everywhere. Yeah, we're getting there. Long day, mates. The fucking size of that, mate. So we've got the engine on the crane, about to go back in. As you can see, we've got this nice hole. We'll jump in there quick, see what's going on in. Obviously, I identify as an engine now with so much power. They call it, I'm a muscle car. Obviously, you just sat in a 3 series. As you can hear, I sound like an engine in it. Oh, been spotted.
New engine looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Muscle car, innit?
Go back in.
Yeah.
Ah, copyright, I can hear the music. Am I getting paid on this video?
Oh, hold on. Can you tighten that?
So Alex has just joined us in his 3rd week of his apprenticeship, and he is now putting an engine in with Zac.
Good that side?
Yeah.
Just watch your fingers. It's not worth losing your fingers.
Shout out Josh.
Shout out Josh, yeah. Just watch that bit, yeah. Like,
What are we touching? What are we touching?
Nothing.
good. Just watch them fingers.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good boys. It's getting old now. So if anyone watching this video doesn't have a clue about cars, this is a gearbox. And there's two young, handsome men pumping them in. Pump up the jam.
Yeah.
Zac don't laugh at me anymore.
Yeah.
Automatic transmission.
Obviously want to line up that bolt hole.
Yeah.
See that? For the camera.
For the camera.
Bolt hole there. Bolt hole there.
Clever how that works, eh?
Yeah, got to make sure they're lined up, otherwise it's a headache.
So this GoPro was going to go on Zac's head, but he's got the most important torch on his head, so...
Yeah, oh, it'll be one of them gimps who use a hand torch.
You've got me as a cameraman, chatting. Oh, hang on. 030. Yeah.
We don't have 530, what?
Yeah, you do.
No, the filter. We don't have the filter.
Check on the shelf, I did order it this morning.
The 530 filter, come on.
I'll look on the shelf, if it's not there, then you have to wait, yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna have to wait because it's not there. What a shame.
Hello, boys.
Oh, it's
Oil only.
oil only, mate. Does this zoom in? Oh. Look at that, mate. Runs mint. No. Now we're road testing it.
All the hard work, and we've got 23 miles of range.
Yeah, I know. No fuel in it. So I'm not actually insured to drive it on public roads, so that's why Jed's doing that.
That's why we've got the boss man here.
Yeah.
Boss man, daily drive.
What I can tell you is it runs beautifully, and it is quick.
We're gonna have a gentle drive to bed it in.
Yeah. That
Dangerous driving.
fucking maniac.
So the only thing to watch out for then, from what I've been told, leaking rocker cover gasket, possibly, because we were saying that it could be
rocker cover.
Yeah, the rocker cover itself could be seeping. You know about the exhaust clamp,
Yeah.
and you're saying that's throwing a code for back pressure,
Yeah.
which sounds about right. And we need to make sure it gets up to temp. Everything. It's got everything apart.
Should be bled.
We can test out the heating for a little bit, but it's very hot.
Yeah. Yeah, I did bleed it.
Right. You know, every time I road test, I've got like cooling systems. I have to go down this road in like 30 degrees weather and 30 degrees on the vents just to bleed it. I come back cooked. For your next job.
I'd rather do one of these again.
Got it straight away.
Yeah. I actually would, to be fair.
That is a man who loves mechanics.
Yeah. I actually would though.
What, straight away?
Yeah, do another one.
So that took you 2.5 days, which is not bad going. It's 8 hours, 16 hours. So it took you 20 hours.
Not bad.
Most book time?
No.
About 20.
20. Is it?
So on target. I would say so, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, engine in and out, that's a full day. Engine
Yeah.
on the floor, strip it, put it back together, that's a day. Then the half a day is check-in and fixing things that are broken.
Yes.
So, it's not bad going, Zach. We got back from the road test as well with 5 miles extra fuel. What's that noise?
Oh no.
Nah, I think so. Great success. Hopefully, Alex, our apprentice,
Bro, we've
has
done
cleaned
fuck
the-
all.
No. So, record the floor.
Wait, he's been told
We
to
was
clean my
told
bed.
that was spotless. I thought that was spotless. I thought that was spotless.
What?
I thought that was spotless, ready for us to come back in.
Nah, not yet.
Oh, I thought you said it was done already.
Yeah, I meant like, yeah, you know, on it already. Yeah,
You're on it already.
yeah. No, I've lost the dustpan and brush, so.
The floor's clean, he told me.
Yeah.
I can see the dustpan and brush, yeah. Come on, we got to finish this video.
Alright, I'll just film myself.
Did I say you could speak?
Sure, I love Billy and the Apprentice. We're gonna
Billy and the Apprentice.
we're gonna close the valve on his oil drainer.